Welcome to the Twins Take. Today what we're going to be drawing today is the Pokemon Skitty. She's known as the kitten Pokemon and she's really cute and she's always happy. She has the colors cream, pink, and purple. Let's get started. Okay, so for the outline I'm gonna use a Sharpie, and then I've got 2 shades of purple, a huge series of pink, and 2 shades of cream. So let's get started. So first what we're going to do, we're going to take our Sharpie and you can use any black marker, but I'm gonna use this, and we're gonna outline her body. So I'm gonna start at the bottom and then I work my way up. So we're gonna do a little pointed petal for 1 foot to end it, and then we're gonna draw a curve here, and then the petal here going up. Okay, so then right where this ended, we're gonna go over here, start right here, and then we're gonna go up right, just like a curve. We're gonna end there, and then we're gonna make it go all the way over there, and then we're gonna draw another foot here. It's like a curve right here, a small curve right here, and then it goes up again. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna start on her tail. So it starts from a little line, just starting right here, and it goes about right there, right to there. And then it's gonna have 3 like flower petals at the bottom, and then it's gonna go up like a balloon. So you want to draw a little balloon right here. Then up here you want to draw 1 line here, 1 line there, and 1 line there. And on top of those you want to draw 1 ball for each of them. Okay, so that's Skitty's tail. Now what we're going to draw is her face. We're going to start on half an oval down here. And then we're going to do her ears. So they're kind of triangle with tufts of hair at the ends. So we're going to start with a line here, go up and curve in, and then 3 tufts of hair are going to stick out right here. Just like that. Okay, so then you want to curve in and then out, and then you're going to go around her whole ear. So you want to make a line till there and then stop right there. Then you're going to see the inside of her. So we're going to keep going this line for the back of her head and then end right where the ear begins. And then for the inside, we're going to make this go up, straight line, and then we're going to curve down. Okay, and then you're going to make it inside right here. So there's her ear. So now we're going to do the other end of her face. So it just comes around like this. The ears in the back, so we're going to keep doing our oval and just got to stop right at that ear. So we're going to do the same. So we did on this here, but in the back. So curve out and then in, and then 3 tufts of hair at the top. And then in, out. Okay, so this one is going to be opposite direction. We're going to do here, and then over here, just slightly getting toward the edge of that, and then there you've got the outline of your Skitty and the details on the tail and the ears. So now what we're going to do, we're going to do the details on her the bottom of her body and her face. So first let's start with the bottom of her body. So we're going to do a small little mountain over here with soft edges, and then it's going to go in, and it's going to end right here. It's kind of like an S across the middle of her body, and then that's all. So now we're going to do the details of her face. So her head is kind of turning that way, so we're going to make kind of curve here, going it up, and then we're going to make it go into a gap. And it's going to look like that. And then you're going to make a crescent moon that way. And you're doing that. And then make a curve. We're going to do the same thing as with our curve. And okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to do her eyes, her nose, and her mouth, which are all very easy things. So her eyes are closed like this, and then her mouth is closed and has a little line from it. So let's start with her eyes. So I'm gonna start here and do a little curve up here, going here. It's gonna end right where you touch the end of this curve right here. Do that on the other side. And then we're gonna do her nose, which is just a little line right here. And then we're going to do her mouth. So we're gonna do a curve right here, a small curve, and then we're gonna do straight, and do another curve. And then you have all of the details of your Skitty. So that's all done. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna color her in. So as I told you, all the colors, a whole series of pink, 2 shades of purple, and 2 shades of cream. So what we're gonna start on is the pink of her body. So you don't have to use all these pinks. You might wanna even pick the lightest ones. I'm gonna pick this light pink, and this is gonna be for the highlights I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna make what you're gonna want to do up here. For the highlight, you want to make a little ball for an oval, and then it's gonna end right here, and then you're gonna color it in very softly, so don't push the pencil. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing right here on its back. Don't push the pencil. And then right here on its tail, this is gonna be a little more furry. So if you have a smudge stick, you could use that, but if you don't, then this is the easy way to do it. So you just make a bunch of zigzags up and down right there. So you want to make it go down right here, and then up over here. And then over here, it's going to be a light, even lighter, and over here, it's going to be a little darker. Don't push the pencil on either one. We're going to do an even lighter shade. Okay, so we did Skitty's highlights. Now, we're going to draw the cream balls on the end of her tail. So you want to pick your light shade of cream, and these even have highlights. So you're gonna make a crescent moon in the corner right here, over here, and over here. So it's just like a little curve. And then don't color in that, but color in a bigger spot. Okay, so then you want to take your darker shade of cream, and you're gonna push on a little and then you're gonna color in the little crescent moon too. So then that has highlights, and then we're gonna color in the rest of Skitty's pink fur. So you want to take this nice little pink, and you don't want to push it, as I said. Color in all of Skitty's, and don't do the highlight. Don't do the ears yet, so just do this. And then on the ears, there's some shading. So over there, we're gonna make over right here, and then it's gonna go up by this ear, here, and then all this spot is gonna be shading, and then from here. And all of this is going to be shading too, except the ear spot. So we want to take a little darker pencil, pink, maybe this color, and color shadings lightly in. Okay, so then you want to take your normal pink again. You want to color the rest of the ear in this. Don't push it, just the pencil. Color in the rest of it. You can even make this part smoother if you want to. So then we're going to color in this part. So color in everything except this this highlight. And do smooth. Okay, so that's all the pink except the tail. So we didn't draw the tail. That actually has a really dark highlight over there. So we're going to take a little darker pink, and we're going to make a little curve right here. If you even have something dark like a purple, that would also work really well. Okay, so then you want to pick your normal color, as I said, and you just want to color in the rest of it. Just even try to blend the colors together, maybe. Just like that. So, and then you've got all the pink on your Skitty. Okay, so now we're going to color in the ears. So this is the purple part. You're going to get your 2 shades of purple, one light and one dark. What we're going to do over there, we're going to make get our light and do light purple and do a little curve right here and a little curve right here. And then we want to do a light brush on those curves. And then with your dark purple, we want to do a light brush everywhere else but so then we're going to do the cream colors. You want to get out these cream colors. And let's first start on the shading. We're going to have a whole place. We're going to do a whole curve right here. Okay, so then you want to take a lighter cream color and you want to color in everything but those shades you just did. There's your Skitty. There's just one last step. You want to get a darker pink. You want to get maybe even a lighter pink, and you want to kind of blend these. Then we do all the pink, all the cream, all the purple. And that's how you draw your Skitty. There's like Skitty with an S at the beginning. She's known as the kitten Pokemon. She probably even has the ability to hypnotize people, witness something. That's how you draw Skitty. I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe to the Twin Steak. Stay tuned for my next drawing Pokemon video. Bye. Subscribe and like.